So these beautiful zucchini cheese fritters are what we're having for dinner. We're going to grate up some low-cal bread. Then we're going to add them to the basin. We've already grated up some zucchini. We're going to add some oregano to the pot. Then we're going to add that zucchini. Next we're going to add our crumble cheese. Mix it up with our hands. We're going to add an egg. Just going to mix that up slightly. Get a nice mix. We're going to add our mozzarella cheese, then our almond flour. Bring that all together and then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then we're going to make up these delicious fritters. Put them in the frying pan, about 3 or 4 minutes each side. And look at those. And let's make up that meal. I'm going to use Nanny D's microwave poached eggs, bit of salad on the plate, salt and pepper, drizzle some beautiful low-calorie dressing, and look at that.
We're just going to cut into this beautiful egg. Now these are my own microwave Nanny D's eggs on my channel. As you can see, when you cut into that, how beautiful it is.